everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Google Meet on your PC. So to start, go ahead and open any browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome, and in the search bar, go ahead and search for Google Meet. So go ahead and click the first one. Now in here, what you need to do is to click on install in the URL address bar. So once you click that, confirm the action by clicking install again, and it will be installed to your laptop just like that. You can also go ahead and click the three dots at the top right, then go to Cast Save and Share and click Install Google Meet and click Install once more to confirm, and that's it. Next, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and search for Google Meet. So click the first link, and in here, just like Google Chrome, click the three dots at the top right. Scroll down to More Tools, go look for Apps, and click Install Google Meet. And click on Install once more, and it will be installed to your laptop and use it as an app. And that's basically it, super easy. You can also click the three dots at the top and you can pin it to taskbar, you can pin to start, so you can add extensions, etc. So if you want to uninstall this, you can just go to the start menu and go to settings, click on apps, click installed apps, search for Google Meet. So look for Google Meet and click the three dots at the right side and just click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.